Hola, hola, bienvenidos. Okay, so right now we are gonna be looking at Y. So the Y, we call it Y, like a, like an I. Up again. Y. Literally, it means the Greek eye. Okay. Actually, this eye, the normal eye, we call it Y Latina to differentiate it from the Y. Okay, so this is the Greek I. This letter has two different uses, and this can be a little bit challenging. It can act as a vowel and it can act as a consonant. It acts as a vowel when we use it at the end of a word. For example, rey or ley. Okay, so in this case it's a vowel. Also, we use it as a vowel when we refer to and. So the way we say and in English, in Spanish, we say y. For example, mi padre y mi madre. Okay, my father and my mother. So we use the Y. This is the most common place where you would see the Y. It is not so common to see it as a vowel, but then again, it's gonna be somewhat common to see it as a consonant. Now, the letter Y as a consonant makes exactly the same sound as the double L. Okay, this can be confusing. So, the Y and the EY sound the same. For example, you all have heard the word playa, right? We said that the double L was for ya sounds, ya, ye, yi, yo, you, but also the Y. Now, it is more common to see the double L, okay? It is far more common to see the double L, but you can also find the Y, okay? In words, as I said, playa. We also have the month of Mayo, okay? Then we have a word tocayo. It is not so common because we use the double L a lot. I wanted to give you some examples, but it's really not that representative. And I don't want to give you, I don't want to confuse you with different examples that we will definitely not be using at these earlier stages. So just to understand, the most common use for the Y, for the Y, is the and, okay? This means and. It can also be a vowel at the end of the word, or it can be a consonant in the middle of the word, having the same sound as the Y, but being the double L more predominant. I know I repeated myself, I just wanted to make more clear. I hope that was okay. So I'll see you then in the next video. Nos vemos.